Welcome to a new episode about the biggest and most epic equipment. In this episode, you'll see the power and strength of heavy machines. So, sit back and watch the video to the end. See how the powerful D11 bike bulldozer handles in a tug of war against for heavy machines. There's nothing more exciting than a video of heavy equipment demolishing a building. There are no impassable obstacles for an excavator. With a pneumatic bucket and crawler tracks, this machine is able to get anywhere. It is also important to note that the operator must be highly qualified to perform such actions. Look at those vast teeth on the bucket. Maybe they have a specific name. If you know, write a comment. Because of the high overload, the tire on this machine couldn't handle it and just blew out. This is actually very dangerous because due to the high friction of the rubber, it can catch fire at any time. In the world of heavy machinery, there is much equipment that can impress you. Don't switch the video and watch to the end. Next, I'll show you more impressive huge machines that you haven't seen. At first glance, this video may raise a lot of questions for you, but these are just toys taken from a good angle. This is the Big Bud, the biggest tractor in the world. We have a video on the channel about this monster. Be sure to check it out. I did a little searching on the internet, but could not find information about these braces that are installed on the tracks. If you know what it is for, please write a comment. Feel the size of this giant against the human height. The size is impressive. And this is a whole army of bridge removal. I associate this video with if machines take over humanity and start living their lives. The Caterpillar 7495 is a mining shovel designed for large-scale mining operations. With a maximum payload capacity of 120 tons, the 7495 is capable of moving massive amounts of material quickly and efficiently. The Komatsu PC-01E is a compact excavator designed for small-scale excavation projects. With its compact size and lightweight design, it's easy to transport to job sites and maneuver in tight spaces. Despite its small size, the PC-01E is a powerful machine. capable of digging to depths of up to 5.5 feet and reaching up to 9.5 feet. Would you like a toy like this? Write in the comments how you would use it. This video shows the power of bulldozers such as Dresta and Lee Bear. Hitched together by a metal cable, these machines merged into one power to move a huge metal structure. The Cat D90 bulldozer is an incredible machine that can move mountains, or in this case, 2 massive stones. The Lee Bear 974 excavator is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to dismantling buildings. With its powerful bucket, the excavator makes quick work of even the most stubborn structures. The Cat 773D is a huge dump truck that requires a specially designed low bed truck for transportation. The sight of the Cat 773D on the back of a low bed truck is both impressive and intimidating, a reminder of the incredible power of modern construction equipment. Large heavy machines are the backbone of modern construction. They are capable of performing incredible feats, such as moving massive amounts of dirt or demolishing entire buildings. Watching these machines in action is a sight to behold, as they exhibit incredible power and precision. However, their operation requires a high level of expertise to ensure safety and efficiency. These machines are a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement, reminding us of our ability to overcome even the most challenging obstacles. So next time you witness one of these big heavy machines at work, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering and skill involved in their operation. They are truly a marvel of modern construction. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Here you will find the most interesting videos about heavy machines from various industries, which may impress you. See you soon. Bye.